In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Amazon affiliate links to a Wix website. Before we jump into Wix, make sure you already have your Amazon affiliate link ready. That means you've logged into your Amazon affiliate account, grabbed the specific product link or special tracking link, and copied it somewhere handy, like a note or a document. We'll be pasting that link into Wix in just a moment. Now, head over to your Wix account and log in. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on the Setup tab on the left-hand side of your Wix dashboard. This is usually where you see options related to getting your site ready to go live. At the top right of the screen, you'll see a button that says Edit Site. Click that, and Wix will open up the site editor where you can make changes to your pages. There are two main ways to add an affiliate link inside Wix. You can attach it to a piece of text, or you can attach it to a button. In this walkthrough, we're going to focus on using a button, because it's more visible and tends to get more clicks. In the editor, look over to the left panel and find the icon that says Add Elements. Click that, and a menu of different elements will appear. From this menu, choose Button. Wix will now show you a variety of button styles with different shapes, colors, and fonts. Take a moment to scroll through and pick one that matches the look and feel of your website. When you've found one you like, simply drag and drop it onto the section of the page where you want your Amazon call to action to appear. Once your button is on the page, you'll see a small floating toolbar next to it. Click Settings on that toolbar. A panel will open where you can customize your button. First, change the button text to something clear and action-oriented, like buy this product, or buy on Amazon. This helps visitors understand exactly what will happen when they click. Next, in that same panel, click on Choose a Link. A new window will pop up with several link options. Select web address. In the URL field that appears, paste your Amazon affiliate link. Double check that it's correct, because this is how your clicks and commissions will be tracked. Below the URL field, choose whether you want the link to open in a new window or in the current window. Opening in a new window is usually recommended, so visitors don't completely leave your site. When you're happy with your settings, click Done. And that's it. Your Wix button is now linked to your Amazon affiliate URL, and you're ready to publish or update your site so visitors can start clicking through.